Hey everybody, it's Jamie here and a very warm welcome to Travel Blog Jamie. Today I am flying to MCO, Orlando International, Florida with British Airways, and you are coming with me for the ride. Let's do this. Welcome to the utopia that is London Gatwick South. Aren't we blessed to be here, my darlings? We really are. Oh look, there's a star there. That makes me feel special. 5-night stay for me at Universal's Cabana Bay, so I don't need much more than this. And of course my hand luggage. It is the 9th of April 2024. Boarding time is at 9:40. Scheduled takeoff 10:40 a.m. that is. It's economy for me all the way today, my darlings. Yep, I'm in seat 36A. That's towards the back of the aircraft on the left. It is a window seat. So hopefully good video footage of the takeoff and landing. With me on till you tell me goodbye. Right, British Airways Zone A and C. Right, I've already checked in online using the BA app, so this should be just a simple case of bag drop. I see you, BA. It's been some time since I've travelled British Airways, actually. Doesn't look too busy here. Bag drop, let's do this. Right, a short line to have some of your documentation checked, and then I'm normally very poor at doing bag drop on my own without a Matthew. I'm just not very good with IT. Oh, I'm doing this. I am doing this. Matthew would be proud. Bye, Mr. Level 8 case. And then you collect your baggage receipt. Yes, winning. Alrighty, up to departures and security. There are a number of coffee shops and restaurants prior to security, but I think I'll have my brekkie on the other side, so to speak. Okay, so lounge is just here. Departure gate's down here. Only 5 minutes at security, not bad at all. The only problem with security here are the other passengers. You know, you're not allowed to have any laptops, for example, in your bag. You've got to take your liquids out into a clear bag, take your shoes off, belt, that sort of thing. That comes as a big surprise to many people. Am I being snarky? Of course. We've now entered the world of Disney shops. Okay, maybe not quite Disney. Oh, I'm just going to walk on by all of that gorgeous liquid. Oh, it's like an assault on the senses, isn't it? A window into madness. Oh, I can see me right at the top. Gate in for what, 9:29, very precise. Oh, I can't not go into a super dry store, I just can't. Upstairs we've got lots of restaurants, and yes, it's breakfast time. Oh, maybe an English sparkling wine for breakfast, that might be nice. Winning with the iced latte this morning. Toasted cheese and Marmite panini. I don't want to ruin my appetite, do I, for that plain food? Oh no, I actually love plain food, by the way. Oh, here we go, gate 38. Please, for the love of God, don't stop and block everyone's way on these travelators. Yeah, side eye for you. That wasn't our chariot. I'm just building the excitement. Now this is our chariot. So this is how I roll. I've got my hand luggage, but I've got hand luggage within hand luggage. This has all my essentials that I pop in front on my chair. So power bank, cables, inhaler, some lip balm, moisturizer for me dry old skin, that sort of stuff. Right, we are boarding by zones. I'm number 7, which means I'm not important. And here we go. Oh, that's my seat on the way back. Anyway, I need to keep going further back. The configuration on this plane is 3 seats, aisle, 4 seats, aisle, and 3 seats. Nearly there. And here we are. My home for the next 9.5 hours or so. Right, what we got here? B&A pillow, blanket, headphones, leg room situation. Not too bad actually. Maneuverable. We love a maneuverable rest. Yes, up, down, to the side. Awesome. Recline. Oh, not that I'm gonna. Not bad. We are all good. Oh, thank goodness we've got a USB port for charging. Oh my god, boarding complete, and look at this. The seats next to me are still available. I am praying and praying and praying. Before we find out if I get the row to myself, here's a look at this Boeing 777-200. The Club World configuration comprises of 2 seats aisle, 4 seats aisle, 2 seats. If you prefer facing forward, you'll need seats B, D, G or J. The configuration for World Traveller Plus is 2 seats aisle, 4 seats aisle, 2 seats, all facing forward. And finally, in World Traveller / Economy section, the configuration of the majority of seats are 3 seats aisle, 4 seats aisle, 3 seats, with a limited number of 2 seats at the back. These seats are usually very popular, and I'd advise you purchasing these in advance. And a closer look at my seat for the duration 36A. If you are a size queen, well, here's a look at those all-important extra inches depending on your seat location. Oh my god, I have a row to myself. I've never had that before. In order to adapt to time zones, with Orlando currently being 5 hours behind Greenwich Mean Time, I always set my devices to the destination time zone prior to takeoff. And we're on the move, so safety briefing and demo time. Oh, a bit angry out there and very windy today. Hold on to your hats, everyone. Here we go. Didn't get to try out the Wi-Fi for you on this flight as it wasn't actually working. Sorry. And some of the films on offer on this flight. And various TV series. and some of the games on board. And yes, I am addicted to playing Angry Birds whilst flying. I don't know why. All is calm up here and I am relaxed. Oh, hey there, Ireland. Sour cream and chai pretzels and a cheeky little vodka and cranberry. Cheers. It's lunchtime. Alrighty, so we have a quinoa and bean salad. I've gone with the vegetable moussaka. There's also a choice of chicken with Mediterranean vegetables. There is a chocolate and raspberry mousse, and you can have your meal with wine. I've just got water for now because I'm such a good boy. Alright, so we don't have plastic, but we don't have metal. Somewhere in the middle, wooden. I like that. Like fresh, zesty, healthy. That's actually delicious. Really creamy, tomatoey. Vegetables are cooked very nicely. I can't believe I'm saying that. Fabulous. Get on. You coffee? You coffee? One of the great things about long journeys is I get to do some of my editing en route. And just under 4 hours left. Right, I'm having a little walkabout, stretch those limbs, bit of exercise. Welcome to economy class bathroom situation. Not enough room to swing a cat, that's for sure. But someone's been spraying something nice in here. It smells alright. Cheek to cheeks, rah rah rah. Don't get sucked in, no no no. Oh, this is what it looks like at the back. There are actually some seats for two back here as well. Just in case you want to cuddle up with a loved one. But no funny business. Saved these from earlier. Winning. And just over 1 hour, 10 minutes left. I'm coming for you, Orlando baby. 1 hour left. Rocking it. Oh, this is a different kind of snack. I'm used to sandwiches. It's a vegetable marinara pastry. And you for coffee? Well, that looks interesting. Works for me. That moment when you see the coastline for the first time. Wow, that is a smooth touchdown. Well done, Captain. And off we go. How horrendous is MCO going to be today? I've got everything crossed. Wow, look at the state of this. World Traveller Plus, otherwise known as Premium Economy. Oh, it's steamy in here. It's about 30 degrees Celsius today. It smells like Orlando International. I mean that as a compliment as well. Thank you, British Airways. Thank you, crew. Thank you, Capitan. Oh, it's the newer Terminal C. Honestly, I think this is going to be a breeze. Oh, that's a welcome to us. Here comes poor Matthew. All done. That didn't take very long at all. I'm absolutely gobsmacked. Well, I'm hoping I'll be able to get an Uber. I am on my way. My Uber from the airport to Universal's Cabana Bay came to $45. However, prices can fluctuate. My return journey was just $26. Let's do this. And those all-important reflections on my flight with British Airways to Orlando from London Gatwick. Well, first of all, we departed dead on time. Seating in World Traveller is certainly dense with the 3x4x3 configuration. However, the ergonomic design of these seats allows for a comfortable journey. The seat back screens were large enough and offered a good range of entertainment for the whole family. Plenty of liquid options on board included in your flight. And I found the onboard food enjoyable. Order your meals via your account in advance if you have dietary requirements. I found the aircraft and facilities on board to be clean, the crew on board were friendly and attentive, and of course the most important thing, a safe journey. We arrived into Orlando ahead of schedule and at Terminal C, which was easy to navigate. And don't go anywhere because coming up on Travel Blog Jamie, an in-depth tour and review of Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort, how to navigate the resorts and parks. I'll be showing you around and trying out the attractions at the 3 Universal parks, Islands of Adventure, Universal Studios, and also the water park, Volcano Bay. I've got some point of view footage to share with you all, loads of tips and recommendations on how to make the most of your stay at Universal Orlando, and finally a review of my flight home, again with British Airways on the 777-200 from Orlando to London Gatwick in an exit row seat. Thank you all so much for your support as we approach 26,000 subscribers. Today's shoutouts go to my tiers 3, 4 and 5 patrons, and you can become a patron by searching patreon.com/travelblogjamie. It's as simple as that. As always, thanks for watching, and why don't we follow each other on Facebook? Just search Jamie W. Robbins, and then there's X, Threads and Instagram at travelblogjamie, and of course right here, right now on YouTube.